Hi and welcome to Calculator Console tutorial in Python. I'm going to start by first of all, let's import the following library, the mass library itself. There we go. Then the next thing is I'm going to define my function, so I'll call that calculator and enter parentheses with a column. Now I'm going to use a try catch in there. So that is just to get rid of whatever error that my mind run into. So I'm going to come right down here and let's say we end up and enter except if there's any error, do this. So we'll say value error there, enter column. And I might as well end it. So using a while loop, if that is true, I want the system to do as follows. Just let it print a line underneath there. So let's just place a line there. Yeah, that will do. And I will call the function itself. Paste that there. Okay, that's taken care of. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and declare my variables right underneath the try. So the variable is going to be known as first num. Okay, first num. And the first num is going to be, the data type will be float input. Use that very method to ask the end user to enter your first number. There we go. Close that again. And I'm going to enter an operator in there. Just say up. That will be input. And this input just to take in this operation or operator. Close that. And let's just enter a column in there. I might as well enter a column and a space in here as well. There. So that's fine. Now, I'm going to use an if statement. If up my operator not in, let's say I have the following. So just going to copy that because I'm going to need a couple of operators in there. Yeah, I think that would be all. So let's say this one is plus, minus, multiplication, division, and let's use another type of division. Right there, just paste the other type of division in here. Yeah, then let's go for, I have one type of multiplication here. Supposing the end user end up choosing, let's say they end up choosing something like X. So let's enter an X here. Yeah. And now let's enter something for exponential. Yeah. And exponential is always double sign of multiplication as well. So that's fine. And one more. Let me do a square. Okay, I will enter a square right there. And I think that will do. So I can just clear out this empty spot. All right. Those are my operators. So copy this one. Let's paste that underneath here and right above it. I might as well just enter as follows. So we can say I want the user to enter the following. Please, let's say please enter an operator. There we go. Okay. Once an operator is entered, let's get it to return. A line will be drawn underneath and we ask the system to just return. There we go. Now, let's use another if statement to check which operator we're talking about. So grab hold of this operator, and that is going to be equals. Let's say if it's this, if it's that, I want you to carry out this square function. Oh, there should be a column in here. Don't want to forget that. All right. And right underneath here, and I want the answer for the square. Let's say answer that is going to be equals mass dot square. And that is going to be for first number. So that means you want to square the first number. There we go. That's the very first one. So we also want these to print out the answer for us. So we can just say print the answer. So let's come in here, print the answer. That's a print answer right there. So whatever the square is printed out right there. Now, let's get it formatted. So I can always say answer column, and that will be, let's get it formatted though. G, okay, and come right out here and just say dot format. And what are you formatting? That is going to be the answer. There we go. All right, so we'll come down here and just say else enter column num2, let's say second number, that is going to be equals, let's grab hold of all of these. So enter your second number there. So second number is stored right in here. Now using an if statement again. So if the second number that is entered is exponential, let's come in here, grab all of these. So I'm going to use an if statement on right underneath here. So come down and let's say if operator. If the operator is in exponential format, then we now want the answer that will be equals first number multiplied by second number. Then enter the second number here. There. And that is for the exponential taken care of. Now let's take care of something like division. I'm going to, let's indent this, and there should be a semicolon here, or a column, I mean, not a semicolon. All right, let's use else if. Else if Okay, else if the operator, if that is, let's say if that is in division here, let's grab all of these division, paste that in the bracket as well. If it's in division, this is what we want the system to do. Division. So in that case, that is going to be answer equals division. So we can just say this and just change that to division. But supposing the end user enter 0 for the second number. So let's do this here. Come in here. I'm going to use an if statement to get that one sorted. So I'm going to say if the second number itself, if that is equals the value of 0, then I want something printed out. Maybe please enter second number, something like that. 0 is not allowed. So come in here, paste that here. And in here, we just say division by 0, something like that. Division by 0 is not allowed. Yeah, that would do. And get the system to return. Yeah. Else, answer equals first number divided by second number. So that's good for the 0. Okay. Now, the next thing is using else if again. Grab all of else if. If this is multiplication, then do this. Okay. So I'm going to copy that. Paste that there. So grab all of this. If it's multiplication, I just want you to do this for me. Paste. If it's multiplication, then this multiply by that. So the multiplication sign, there we go. That's it. Grab all of that. Paste it in here. There we go. There should be, yeah, make sure that is there. All right, multiplication is taken care of. Now let's take care of addition and subtraction. So grab all of these. If it's addition, so change this to addition. Yeah, and this become addition as well. All right, what about subtraction? If it's subtraction, paste and change this to subtraction, and this becomes subtraction as well. Get this indented. Right. Else, I just want you to say you've entered an invalid whatever. So let's come down here and just say else. Let's say print invalid operator. Yep, that's it. Else invalid operator, and get it to return. And that's it, guys. Okay, so that's looking good. So finally, let's get it to format whatever the answer is. I'm going to grab all of that, come right down here, and just paste that right underneath here. There. And that is all there is to that. So let's save it first. So let's go to files, save as. I'm just going to save that as console calculator underscore Paul. That's for my second channel. Save that. Okay, that is taken care of. And before I do any other thing, let's grab hold of print. I need that for the exception here. Right underneath here, there was meant to be an exception statement. And that's going to be, please enter, let's say, a valid number, just in case. So a valid number. There we go. Save that. So let's say 87 plus 12 there. And let's go for maybe 9 divided by 0. Let's see what's going to happen. There we go. Division by 0 is not allowed. So let's enter something else. Let's divide that by 5. There. And what about subtraction? That's not allowed. Enter a proper number. And let's subtract by, there we go. So guys, that is how the program works. So with that, I'm gonna call it the end of this tutorial. And please do subscribe to my channel, and you can also join to become a member of the channel. You all have a nice day now, and bye for now.